behalf of St. Rita Secondary School, I am delighted to introduce our chief guest, His Eminence Cardinal Joseph Woods, who has warmly accepted our invitation to join us. And give a huge round of applause, all of you, as he enters inside, please. I am Ms. Christine Alvin. I'm pleased to be in this occasion by welcoming everyone. We have all gathered here for the annual day celebration. We are here to celebrate the talents and skills of our children to reward them accordingly. On behalf of St. Rita Secondary School, I am delighted to introduce our chief guest once again with a huge round of applause. Accordingly, we respectfully welcome our chief guest, His Eminence Cardinal Joseph Woods. Our chief guest does not need any formal introduction as he is well known and reputed figure in our society. He has been highly respected and renowned for his general gesture. We are all aware of his impeccable behavior which have changed many of lives. It is really an honor to have him here today as a chief guest on our annual day. Here I would like to share His Eminence Cardinal Joseph Woods a short biography. Joseph Woods was born in Amritsar, British India on 21st July 1945 and received the religion training at the Christ King Seminary in Karachi. He was ordained as a priest in Lahore during January 1971. He completed religion studies in Rome from 1973 to 1976 and then became a professor of philosophy. In May 1988, he was appointed Coadjutor Bishop of Hyderabad in Pakistan by Pope John Paul II and consecrated a bishop on 16th September. He was appointed a Bishop of Faisalabad in June 1998. On 25th of January 2012, Pope Benedict XVI appointed Bishop Joseph Woods as Archbishop of Karachi to succeed Archbishop Everest Pinto. He also remained President of Pakistan Catholic Bishop Conference from the year 2011 to 2017. His Eminence Cardinal Joseph Woods can speak several languages including Urdu, English, Punjabi, German, Italian, French and Sindhi. And now, no more words. For the further, we will be starting our program. As we are gathered here on our school annual day, let us begin this beautiful day with the holy name of God, Allah and Bhagwan. Let's seek wisdom and guidance for this entire program. And now, looking forward, we will be having the three readings from the certificate books, scriptures, the Holy Bible, the Holy Quran, and the Holy Book of Rita. I would call upon the stage the student of class 8, Ethan, to do the readings from the Holy Bible. Ethan, please come up on the stage.
A reading from the letter of St. Paul to the Corinthians, chapter 1, verse 3 to 7. Grace and peace to you from God our Father and from the Lord Jesus Christ. I give thanks to my God continuously for you because of the grace of God that has been given to you in Christ Jesus. By that grace, in the things you have become wealthy in Him, in every word and in all knowledge. And so, the testimony of Christ has been strengthened in you. In this way, nothing is lacking to you. In this way, nothing is lacking to you in any grace, as you await in the revelation of our Lord Jesus Christ. This is the word of the Lord.
I would call upon the stage the student of class 7, Shehbaz Nadeem, to recite the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا يرغب صدق الله العظيم.
And last but not least, I would like to call upon stage student of class 9, Sohani Rupale, to recite the Holy Bhagavad Gita. Hari Sharanam, Hari Sharanam, Om Sharanam, Kar Sharanam, Sat Sharanam, Ram Sharanam, Satyaram Sharanam, Satyaram Sharanam, Shiv Sharanam, Shakti Sharanam, Govind Sharanam, Gopal Sharanam, Satyaram Sharanam, Satyaram Sharanam, Satyaram Sharanam, Satyaram Sharanam. As we continue the reading from the scripture, let us all come together for the school prayers and to honor our country with the national anthem. I kindly ask everyone to rise and stand for the prayers of the school and the national anthem as a symbol of the respect and unity.
लुटाई खुशबू, आप आए तो बहारों ने लुटाई खुशबू, फूल तो फूल थे कांटों से भी आई खुशबू.
Let's give a huge round of applause for our chief guest, His Eminence Cardinal Joseph Coates. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed faculty members and dear students, it is with great honor and respect that I invite our honorable and dignified principal, Sister Munira Bhatti, principal of St. Rita's Secondary School, to grace the stage and deliver the official address as she extends our warmest greetings and gratitude to our chief guest, His Eminence Cardinal Joseph Coates. Please join me in welcoming Sister Munira Bhatti to the stage with a huge round of applause.
A very good morning to all of you present here. I, Sister Munira Bhatti, on behalf of St. Rita's Secondary School, would like to express my hearty welcome to you. Before moving ahead, I would like to quote Henry Ford, who wisely said, "Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, and working together is a success." As we look back over the last few years, certainly there was a beginning, and thankfully there was a progress, and yes, undeniably we have been successful. Today we all gathered here to celebrate our togetherness and thank God for all our achievements. As we celebrate our 17th annual Research Day, I extremely feel privileged to have this opportunity to address everyone on this special occasion. Indeed, with immense joy and gratitude, I would like to express my warm welcome to His Eminence Joseph Cardinal Coates for accepting our invitation and for being with us. Thank you very much, His Eminence. I'm well aware of your busy schedules and responsibilities, but I feel delighted and appreciate that you have taken out time and shared our joy with us. As an institution, we always believe that the children are the future that will help us to making our country great and prosperous. Let us together encourage this idea. Annual Day is not only for all those students who have achieved the academic performance, but it encourages all the students to do the best and move forward. My dear parents and the young champion, life is like a journey with its different stations. Some comes and some goes, and many may leave a great vacuum in our lives, but the life goes on. So my dear teacher, parents and students, let me symbolize this train with Santika Secondary School, as we all are the border of the same train. And I truly believe that we all are contribute to making this journey successful and happy. So, at the end, let me take this opportunity to thank each one of you for being an important passenger of this train. I'm glad to see the shine in the eyes of the students and the pride in the eyes of the parents. May all your dreams of the parents come true. And I would like once again to say thank you and welcome to you all for being here with us. So, thank you very much for all of you, all those who are present. Please enjoy your day and have a good day. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Sister Munira, for your warm welcome address to our esteemed chief guest. Your introduction truly set a positive tone for the event and played a significant role in its success. Please join me in giving her a massive round of applause for her outstanding contribution.
Thank you, Ms. Sabha. As we go forward with the program, our little ones have been waiting eagerly to take you on a roller coaster ride of laughter, innocence and charm, so hold on tight as I invite our first group of bright stars to set the stage on fire with a vibrant dance performance along with the teacher, Ms. Sabha. Our students have worked really hard on their individual performances. I really hope that their hard work today brings out the best within them. These students are an epitome of talent and creativity. Whether we talk about sports, dance, singing forms, etc., our school does not leave behind. And the students year after year are making everyone proud, and teachers proud, and everyone, by getting applause and rewards from outside the campus. It is time to honor and celebrate the exceptional talent that we have witnessed today. Your applause is the wind beneath the wings of the shining participants ready to take flight. Give a huge round of applause for the coming group.
Is it true that you want it? Then act like you mean it. With everyone watching, it's truth or dare, can you feel it? La 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 I dare you.
देर लगी आने में तुमको, शुक्र है फिर भी आए तो। देर लगी आने में तुमको, शुक्र है फिर भी आए तो। आस ने दिल का साथ न छोड़ा, वैसे हम घबराए तो। To welcome our honorable guest officially amongst us, I humbly request His Eminence Cardinal Joseph Coors to please come up on this stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in giving an extraordinary ovation to our distinguished chief guest, His Eminence Cardinal Joseph Coors, whose presence graces us with wisdom and insight. Let's honor his esteemed contribution with a resounding round of applause. As a token of our deepest appreciation and love, I invite our respected sister Munira Bhatti to present bouquet of flowers to His Eminence Cardinal Joseph Coors. Please give her a big hand. Now I would like to call upon the stage Sister Mariam to present an ajrak to His Eminence Cardinal Joseph Coors. Please give her a huge round of applause.
Clapping all of you.
Everyone. Yes. Okay, thank you so much everyone for being on the stage. I, Miss Sabha, feel extremely glad to have been hosting today's program, which I'm sure everyone looks forward to. I can see happy, smiling faces everywhere. Clearly, the occasion is special, as this event truly showcases the achievements and talents of this school. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Dear parents and students, we will be announcing the result backwards starting from class 8 till Montessori. I would appreciate once again and request him kindly His Eminence Cardinal Joseph Coors to grace the stage once again to honor of distribution the rewards to our student. The results announcement. We begin and celebrating the achievements of our brilliant students from class 8. I would like to call upon the stage Miss Aneha Sadaf, the class teacher, to present awards or recognitions on the stage. Miss Aneha Sadaf, class 8, give you a huge round of applause for your class teacher. At least I cannot hear class 8. And now I will be announcing the result. The first position goes to, from class 8, is Dua Shafiq. Give a huge round of applause for your classmate. Loud, I cannot hear. I heard some screaming from class 8. And everything you will see in the class. Keep on the chair up for the child who has done successful work for the whole year. Congratulations, Dua Shafiq, for your first position. And now looking forward, I will be announcing the second position from class 8, Rahimi Rafiq. And now the third position. And yes, that is Soham Isaac for class 8. Huge round of applause, come on, for the position holders over here. And now looking forward for the best behavior is Iris Alicia. Iris Alicia, give a huge round of applause. Come on, I will not be repeating every time. Cheer your students. of you. Class 8, Iris Aisha for best behavior. Congratulations, girl. And now for the full attendance is Saeed Faik. Saeed Faik, class 8, Saeed Faik. Come on, give a huge round of applause. I cannot hear you. I request Ms. Nusrat Azam to come on the stage and present the awards. The first position of Class 7 goes to Evelyn Nadeem. Class 7, Evelyn Nadeem. Please come on stage. Okay, come on, cheer your friend over here. Clapping. Class 7 is present or no? And the second position goes to Suman Johnson. Suman Johnson. Keep on clapping. The claps will not get stopped from the classes. I'm really on. And the third position goes to Saha. Class 7 Saha. Announcing the full attendance who comes the whole year is Ayman Khan from class 7. Ayman Khan. Congratulations, Ayman Khan. Best behavior from class 7 goes to Asghar Hussain. Class 7, Asghar Hussain. I am really proud to see that the students have achieved such a pleasant grades. They have been an unexpected year group to work with and their results are fully deserved. Are it? Clapping for all of them. Today I feel very privileged and honored to stand here in front of you all, and I acknowledge the achievements of our brilliant students who have made both the school and their parents proud. I would like to call upon the stage Ms. Gulzareen Angel, class 6. Please present on the stage. Give a huge round of applause. Class 6, your teacher is present over here. And now I will be announcing the first position of class 6. 6 goes to Angel Anil. First position, Angel Anil. And the second position goes to, congratulations Angel Anil for your achievement. And here I would like to call upon the stage the second position, Aisha Sarfaraz. Aisha Sarfaraz from class 6. And that's the happiness in their heart that they are feeling very proud and their parents are also feeling very proud. And the third position goes to Raini Sharik, class 6. I cannot hear the claps from the students. At least I would like that the students give her a clap, huge round of applause. I know you get tired, but still. How you make noise in the classrooms? Congratulations. And now we will look forward for the full attendance is Natalia Noman and Hiba Zara. Natalia Noman and Hiba Zara for full attendance. They are both compatible to each other. Congratulations Hiba Zara and Natalia Noman for the full attendance. Marvelous job.
Congratulations to everyone. May God bless you. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would appreciate and request Sister Mariam to kindly grace the stage and do the honors of distributing the rewards. Please give her a huge round of applause to be present here. Now I would like to invite Miss Rubina Stephen, the class teacher of class 5, onto the stage to present the awards. Please give her a big hand. First position goes to Khatija Ahmed. And the second position goes to Hamna Ahmed. Please give her a big hand. Hamna Ahmed. Certificate of appreciation for full attendance goes to Sayyid Wasif Ali. Sayyid Wasif Ali. Please give him a big hand. I can't hear any of the applauses from your side, audience. Be energetic, just like me. Certificate of appreciation for the best behavior goes to Michelle Dudani. Give her a big hand. No. Now, moving on to the class position holders for class 4. I kindly request the class teacher, Miss Henrietta Rose, to join us on stage and present the awards to the position holders. Let's give her a big round of applause as she comes forward. She's already here. And the first position goes to Isaiah Kashif. Give him a big hand. And the second position goes to Sana Johnson. And the third position goes to Tehzeeb. Now, the certificate of appreciation for full attendance goes to Mabil Hussain. And the certificate of appreciation for the best behavior goes to Danica John. Congratulations, everyone. I now request Sister Saima to kindly grace the stage and do the honors of distributing the rewards. Please give her a big hand, everyone. I kindly invite Miss Delphine Daniel, the class teacher of class 3, to join us on stage for the presentation of awards for her outstanding achievers. And the first position goes to Mohammad Saad. Please give him a big hand, everyone. I now congratulate the second position holder, and the second position goes to Alisha Mohsin. The third position goes to Ahmed Khan. And for the certificate of appreciation for full attendance goes to Ariba Fatima. Please give her a big hand. Her commitment to being present was outstanding. And the certificate of appreciation for the best behavior from class 3 goes to Shayan Salmoon. Okay, he's absent, it's okay. Succeeding in life is as simple as being a good student. All you have to do is pay attention, work hard, and give it the best shot. Congratulations once again. I now request Miss Leona Di Costa, the class teacher of class 2, to please join us on stage to present awards to the position holders. And the first position goes to Dawood Ahmed. And the second position goes to Abu Bakr Siddiqui. Give him a huge round of applause. Yes, that's the spirit. The third position goes to Anabia Atif. Anabia Atif. Now the certificate of appreciation for the full attendance goes to Arisha Arshad. Please give. And the best behavior award goes to Asmeer Robert. Asmeer Robert. Please give him a big round of applause, everyone. Congratulations, everyone. Keep it up and thank you so much. I would like to call Sister Munira Bhatti to kindly grace the stage to do the honors of distributing the rewards. Ladies and gentlemen, as Miss Elizabeth Smith, the class teacher of Class 1, is not able to join us today, we have Miss Mariam Khalid here to represent the class. Let's give a warm welcome to Miss Mariam Khalid as she joins us on stage to give away the awards to the position holders. Please give her a big hand, everyone. And the first position from Class 1 goes to Aisha Tahir. And the second position goes to Aruj Fatima. Aruj Fatima. Congratulations, Aruj. The third position goes to, from Class 1, Meerab Shehzad. Please give her a big hand, everyone. Meerab Shehzad. We have the two recipients for the certificate of appreciation for full attendance, and the names are Arham Rashid and Rahim Rashid. Please give them a huge round of applause. And the best behavior goes to Nelson Johnson. Congratulations once again. Keep it up and thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Sister Munira, to be on the stage with us. We have also organized the award-winning ceremony in order to acknowledge and laud the efforts of those who have contributed in some way or the other towards the school. We truly believe that their efforts shouldn't go unrecognized, as these people inspire others to do well in life and set examples for others. It is therefore the time to celebrate their victory and our school's unending glory. I hope our school and the people associated with it continue to do good work and set an ideal benchmark in all the fields. We have categorized the awards to celebrate various aspects of teaching excellence, from innovation to mentorship. Without further ado, let's begin with our first award category, Excellence in Punctuality and Perfect Attendance. So for the nominations and for the giving away the rewards, I would like to call upon this stage His Eminence Cardinal Joseph Coates. Please give him a huge round of applause. So the first category is Excellence in Punctuality and Perfect Attendance. And the nominees of this prestigious category are Miss Mariam Khalid, Miss Nusrat Asim and Miss Juliet Daniel. Here I request Miss Mariam Khalid, please come forward to receive your well-deserved recognition, surrounded by a huge round of applause. Miss one by one. Next, let's welcome Miss Nusrat Asim onto the stage. Her commitment to being present and on time has been outstanding. And now, our final recipient for this category, please give a round of applause to Miss Juliet Daniel as she walks towards the stage. She is the most senior member of our faculty. Her consistent punctuality and attendance have been exemplary. Thank you so much, Miss Mariam, Miss Nusrat, and Miss Juliet. Ladies and gentlemen, our next category recognizes outstanding achievements in class management and subject mastery. And the nominees for this category are Miss Aneha Sadaf and Mr. Arif Khushi. First, let's welcome Miss Aneha Sadaf. Miss Aneha, please come forward and accept your appreciation certificate in a huge round of applause. Sir Arif Khushi, his dedication to effective class management and subject mastery has truly set him apart. Sir Arif, please join us on stage to receive your certificate of appreciation. Advancing to our next category, we have the hardworking, diligent and persevering category, recognizing their dedication and persistence. Today we are honored to celebrate 5 exceptional individuals who exemplify these qualities. Let's begin by inviting Sir Waris Anjum to the stage.
I cannot hear the chairs. Clapping loud.
Now let's give a round of applause to Miss Gulzareen Angel.
Here to do it only for your favorite teacher, do it for all the teachers present over here.
Now let's acknowledge Miss Henrietta Rose. Her consistent dedication and hard work set an inspiring example for all. Miss Rose, please step forward to receive your certificate of appreciation.
Miss Rose is present over here. Congratulations, Miss Rose.
Moving on, let's celebrate Miss Helen Asif. Her relentless drive and dedication have been instrumental in her success. Miss Helen Asif. And finally, let's recognize Miss Leona DiCosta. Her hard work and perseverance have truly paid off, and we are honored to present her with this category. Congratulations to all 5 recipients of the Hard Working Award. Progressing to our next award category, we have the resilient and most vibrant category. Let's give a round of applause to Sister Saima Majid as she comes forward to be recognized. Thank you so much, Sister Saima. Our next nominee is for the optimistic and disciplined category. And our nominee is Miss Elizabeth Smith. Although she is not able to join us today, let's still take a moment to applaud her for her positivity and dedication. Congratulations to Miss Smith on her nomination for the optimistic and disciplined category. As we move on to our next recognition in the category of Working Wikipedia, let's recognize the exceptional knowledge of our nominees. First, let's acknowledge Miss Rubina Stephen for her vast knowledge. Please give her a round of applause as she comes forward to accept her nomination. Thank you so much, Miss Rubina Stephen. Now let's give the same recognition to Miss Delphine Daniel, who is always keen to know new knowledge and ready to acquire new skills. Her dedication to learning stands out. Congratulations. And the next nominee for the Heart of a School goes to Miss Noorul Seher. Miss Noorul Seher embodies the spirit of love and dedication that make our school community thrive. Let's give a huge round of applause for her. We have the award category for artfully creative, multi-talented and digital innovator. We are thrilled to have 2 outstanding nominations for this category. First, let's applaud Miss Christine Alwyn for her remarkable creativity and digital innovation. Please give her a big hand, everyone. Now let's also recognize Miss Sunaina Sharoon, whose multi-talented skills have truly impressed us. Miss Sunaina, please make your way to the stage to receive your certificate of appreciation. Congratulations. Our final award category is the All-Rounder, Busy Bee and Dynamic category, celebrating versatility and dynamism. Today we have 3 outstanding male staff members who are nominated for this honor, and the names are Mr. Naveen Rogers, Mr. Govind Kumar and Mr. Nasir Kurban. They are the backbone of our school, and without their assistance, we might be lost in a sea paperwork or lost in the budget. Let's give them a round of applause for keeping our financial ship afloat. Let's first recognize Sir Naveen Rogers for his exceptional all-around skills and dynamic approach. A round of applause, please, everyone. Next, let's applaud Sir Govind Kumar for his versatility and busy bee attitude, always eager to take on new challenges. Sir Govind is the man who never says no to anyone. Thank you, Sir Govind, for being so kind and understanding. Please give him a round of applause. Last but not the least, let's acknowledge Sir Nasir Qurban for his dynamic contributions to our organization. Let's give him a round of applause as well. Make some effort, please. Now I would like to call Sister Mariam to grace the stage, and the certificate of appreciation is All-Rounder. Please give her a big hand. Thank you, His Eminence Cardinal Joseph Coates and Sister Munira to be on the stage and to do the honors. As we come to the end of our award ceremony, I want to extend a heartfelt congratulations to all the recipients today. Your hard work, dedication and contributions have made this event a success, and we are truly grateful for your commitment. Whether you received the certificate of appreciation for punctuality, subject mastery, creativity or leadership, each of you has played a vital role in this institution. Let's give a round of applause to all our recipients today for their outstanding achievements and contributions. Thank you for inspiring us all with your excellence.
Thank you, Ms. Sabha. Thank you, all of you, for bearing this kind of heat over here. Now I will not take much of your time. As I will, dear parents, I will be giving you a small guideline regarding the results of the pre-primary. Pre-primary students typically do not receive letters or number grades for their work. Grades, like other external rewards, have little lasting efforts on child's effort or achievements. The Montessori approach nurtures the motivation that comes from within, kindling the child's nature desire to learn. Montessori believes that giving grades to students throughout tests instills fear of failure, and which creates anxiety, pressure and stress. This can lead students losing interest in the school and learning it generally. Assigning grades can result in low esteem and anger, resentments and parental rejection. Montessori education wants to avoid this and provide plenty of positive reformations instead. So keeping in mind the importance of each individual, there will be no prize distribution in pre-primary section. Although all the students will be giving certificates of appreciation for their hard work and performance. It gives them an opportunity to grow, tolerate and move forward to the positive energy. As I now welcome Miss Nooril Sahed along with her class of Prac 2 to grace the stage with her brilliant students while they are holding their certificates by the school principal who have given them in the classrooms, and they are looking wonderful. Join your hands together for those who are present over here. Both of your hands like that. So, and do not cover your faces, please. Smile. Do not cover your face. Keep it underneath your chin. And one. Thank you. Naloni. Thank you so much, Ms. Ed. Congratulations, Prac 2, for all your achievements. God bless. And let's take a time. You all can also take your photo. Love you all, baby. You all are giving us a smile. Thank Thank you. Montessori, can you all go down the stage? Please help them, someone.
Hello, it's me, Sister Saima, and I am here to honor the backbone of the school for this time, and I am privileged to announce this, that a leader who is running the whole school, the whole show. So it's not an easy task for that leader to run smoothly. And as a leader, I really admire her, the way she is tackling the school, she is handling, and she is doing more what she is. And I would like to invite Sister Munira Bhatti, the principal of St. Rita Secondary School. So we appreciate all. I need your clap. Guys, I need your clap.
All of you join your hands together as we present the award to our own principal. Okay, cheer up. Everybody, more class. Come on, as a
Honorable Principal Munira Bhatti, Principal of St. Rita's High School, respected staff members and sisters also present here, and parents, and my dear students. I have been given the honor to be present here today with you for this very nice and very joyful ceremony. So, I was told to say a few words. Children will start talking. But what I would like to say is now when I look back, look at my age, 55 years ago, when I was in school, we had not heard the word computer. कंप्यूटर इजाद ही नहीं हुए थे, मोबाइल फोन का किसी को पता भी नहीं था, और इसी तरह दीगर और चीजें उस वक्त से लेकर आज तक इंसान चांद पर भी पहुंच चुका है। तो इस मौजूदा दौर में जो कि बहुत फर्क है, बच्चों को सिखाना और पेरेंट्स का रोल, वालिदैन का रोल इसमें बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि हमारी सोसाइटी में भी बहुत सारी खराबियां हैं जो सिर्फ क्लासरूम के अंदर कंट्रोल नहीं हो सकता है। जब मैं और किसी स्कूल में था कुछ साल पहले, बड़ा स्ट्रगल था, क्योंकि पता चला कि मंशियात जो है बच्चे खुद जाकर इधर उधर से नहीं लेते। स्कूल के बाहर जो ये लोग मिठाई बेचते हैं, फ्रूट बेचते हैं, जो कुछ है, बड़े जरिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं कि बच्चों को कैसे मंशियात पहुंचाएं। ये सब चीजें क्लासरूम में नहीं हो सकता है। तो वालिदैन का रोल जो है आजकल इस मौजूदा जमाने में आपकी जिम्मेदारी ज्यादा है, क्योंकि हमारा माशरा ऐसा हो चुका है। तरक्की तो टेक्नोलॉजी के लिहाज से बहुत तरक्की हुई है, लेकिन इखलाकी तौर पे बहुत सारी बुराइयां भी हैं जिनके लिए आपको ज्यादा ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा। यहाँ मैं देख रहा हूँ बड़ा अच्छा माहौल है स्कूल में। I'm very happy to see that. And Sister Munira, I would like to congratulate you and all your staff members who have received certificates of appreciation for the good work that you are doing. It's becoming more and more difficult to give good education and good discipline in our schools. और ये एक बहुत बड़ा मसला है और ये बढ़ता जाएगा मेरे ख्याल में। अभी देखना जो इस वक्त बहुत सारे मुल्क में, खासकर जो बड़े हो जाते हैं ना, कॉलेज में, यूनिवर्सिटी में, तो स्टूडेंट्स सियासत में भी इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं, उनका ध्यान स्टडी की तरफ नहीं रहता है। तो ये उम्र है जो अब वो बच्चे काफ़ी हद तक कंट्रोल में रहते हैं। सो आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट, टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स, ऑल ऑफ यू, रिलेटिव्स, बच्चों के साथ जो भी आए हैं, ताकि अल्लाह ताला की बरकत सब पर हो, ताकि हम नई नस्ल को अच्छी तरबियत दें, ताकि आने वाले ज़माने में वो पाकिस्तान की खुशहाली और तरक्की में पूरा हिस्सा ले सके। May God bless you all, and sisters, once again, Mubarak ho congratulations for this very nice program. Right. Thank you.
I would like to take a moment to infuse some inspiration into our gathering. We are honored to have a very special motivational speaker joining us today, Mr. Clifford Lucas, who is here to share some powerful words of encouragement and help us understand the importance of this special day. So without further delay, let's give him a warm welcome. Please join me in giving a big round of applause.
Thank you so much for such a warm welcome. First time that I'm having such a nice introduction. Assalamu alaikum parents. Assalamu alaikum students. Students, कैसे हो? सब ठीक हो? You remember me? You remember me, yes. Assalamu alaikum parents. My name is Clifford. मैं एक seasonal banker, motivational speaker, trainer, musician, सारी चीजें मिला करके I live my life. I was asked by a sister to come and talk to some of the parents and share some thoughts. अच्छा, पाकिस्तानी बाप की अंग्रेज औलाद हूँ, unfortunately come from the Christian community, so I speak a lot of English, but कोशिश मेरी पूरी है कि मैं आज आप लोग से उर्दू में भी बात करूँगा और एक नया ज़बान हम क्रिएट करेंगे जिस इज कॉल्ड उर्दिश. आधा उर्दू आधा इंग्लिश, ठीक है. जहाँ जहाँ उर्दू की गलती होगी आप लोग से माजरत. मैं भी सीख रहा हूँ, जिंदगी भर तक सीखते रहते हैं हम, और ये चीज़ जो है आई थिंक पेरेंट्स के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. अच्छा जी, आज आई बिलीव इज रिजल्ट्स डे. बहुत सारे बच्चों ने अपनी मेहनत, माँ बाप की मेहनत, टीचर्स की मेहनत आज क्या रंग ले आएगी, सब इंतजार कर रहे हैं, सब उम्मीद से हैं कि मेरा बच्चा पास हो जाए और अच्छे नंबर से पास हो. ऐसे ही है पेरेंट्स, आपकी कुछ तवक्कुआत हैं, कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं अपने बच्चों से, अब इस स्कूल से, इन स्कूल की टीचर्स से, कि उन्होंने आपके बच्चों को अच्छी प्रॉपर तरबियत, एजुकेशन दी है. लेकिन आपसे सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं, बच्चे के पहले टीचर्स कौन हैं? माँ बाप. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. द फर्स्ट टीचर्स ऑफ एनी चाइल्ड इज द पेरेंट्स. और इस वजह से बहुत जरूरी होता है कि पेरेंट्स को एक बात की रियलाइजेशन, और ये मैंने भी बाद में समझा जब मैं एक बाप बना, कि एक बच्चे की जो माइंड है, एक बच्चे का जो माइंड है वो एक पैराशूट की तरह है. ठीक है, जब वो माइंड खुलेगा तो उस वक्त उसकी फंक्शनैलिटी होगी. पैराशूट के साथ क्या होता है, अगर एक पैराशूट नहीं खुलता तो क्रैश हो जाता है, एंड दैट्स द एंड, डेथ. एक बच्चे की का माइंड जो है इज एग्जैक्टली लाइक द पैराशूट. इट ओनली फंक्शंस व्हेन इट इज ओपन. और चूंकि माँ बाप आर द फर्स्ट टीचर्स, and teachers have the responsibility to open the student's mind, to open the mind of the children. और माइंड किस तरह से, जब हम कहते हैं कि माइंड खोलना, माइंड खोलने की बात जब हम करते हैं, हम कहते हैं he should open the mind from a religious perspective, उनको रिलीजन, तरबियत और नॉलेज दें. फिर उनकी अपब्रिंगिंग अबाउट बीइंग अ गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग. हर माँ बाप को अपने बच्चों को ये जरूर, और खास तौर पे जब उनके कोई बेटे हैं, उनको ये जरूर सिखाना चाहिए कि एक अच्छा भाई कैसे बने, एक अच्छा बेटा कैसा बने, और एक अच्छा लाइफ पार्टनर कैसे बने. अमूमन वी हैव दिस मिसकंसेप्शन कि माँ बाप जो है वो बच्चों को घर पे तरबियत देंगे और टीचर्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि वो उनको एजुकेट करें. Education is not about only academics. Education is about self-development of the child. Parenting, सारे पेरेंट्स हैं. पॉजिटिव पेरेंटिंग होती क्या है? कोई बता सकता है कि पॉजिटिव पेरेंटिंग क्या है? Anyone can try? چلے میں بتاتا ہوں کیونکہ ہمارے پاس وقت کم ہے. Positive parenting is about developing the mindset of the child. اس کو انکریج کرنا, اس کی بیسکلی اس کی اسٹریسز کو دور کرنا. بہت سارے ہمارے بچے بہت اسٹریسڈ آؤٹ ہو جاتے ہیں, خاص طور پہ جب ایگزامس کا وقت آتا ہے, اور ہمارا اور میرا آپ کا کام ہوتا ہے اس اسٹریس کو کم کرنا. کیونکہ جب ایک بچہ اسٹریس میں ہوتا ہے اس کی لرننگ ایبلٹی, اس کی سوچنے کی ایبلٹی, اس کی ریزننگ ایبلٹی ختم ہو جاتی ہے. آپ خود ایز پیرنٹس جب آپ اسٹریس میں جاتے ہیں تو کتنی دفعہ آپ کے ساتھ ہوا کہ یار آپ اسٹریس میں اور آپ کو پتہ نہیں کہ یہ پرابلم آ گئی ہے, اب اس کو سالو کیسے کریں. پھر کوئی نہ کوئی باہر سے آپ کو بتاتا ہے بھائی آپ اس کو اس طرح کیوں نہیں ٹرائی کرتے. پھر آپ کے دماغ میں ارے یار میں نے پہلے کیوں نہیں سوچا تھا. یہ پرابلم اس وقت ہوتی ہے جب ہم اسٹریس میں ہوتے ہیں, کیونکہ اسٹریس کیا کرتا ہے ہماری سوچنے کی ریزننگ ایبلٹیز کو سپریس کر دیتا ہے. سو اٹس امپورٹنٹ ٹو ڈی اسٹریس یور سیلف. بچوں کے ساتھ بھی ایسی ہے, جب ان کے پاس ایگزامینیشنس کی اسٹریس ہوتی ہے, دے ہیو اے لاٹ آن دیئر پلیٹس. کیونکہ انہوں نے آپ سب سے بڑی اسٹریس, کسی کو پتا ہے کہ بچے کی سب سے بڑی اسٹریس کیا ہوتی ہے؟ اینی ون؟ What do you think is the biggest stress of a child? ایک بچے کی سب سے بڑی اسٹریس کیا ہوتی ہے؟ میں آپ کو بتاتا ہوں, اپنے ماں باپ کی توقعات کو پورا کرنا. اور ہر ماں باپ کی توقعات کیا ہے اپنے بچوں سے؟ اچھے نمبر سے پاس ہونا, فرسٹ آنا ہے, فرسٹ سیکنڈ تھرڈ آنا ہے, فرسٹ 1 to 10 میں کے اندر آنا ہے. اسٹریس, پریشر. میں ہمیشہ میری سوچ یہی ہوتی ہے کہ آپ بچے کو بولیں آپ پڑھیں اینڈ ڈو دا بیسٹ دیٹ یو کین, بی دا بیسٹ دیٹ یو کین. کیونکہ غلطی ہم کیا کرتے ہیں ایز پیرنٹس, ہم دوسرے بچوں کے ساتھ ان کو کمپیئر کرنا شروع کرتے ہیں. اس کا بچہ دیکھو وہ کتنا پڑھتا ہے, فرسٹ ہمیشہ آتا ہے. وی اسٹارٹ کمپیئرنگ آور چلڈرن. ہم یہ ریئلائز نہیں کرتے کہ ہر بچے کی جو پوٹینشیل کیپبلٹی لیولز ڈفرینٹ ہوتی ہے, ہر بچے کی لرننگ کیپیسٹی ڈفرینٹ ہوتی ہے, ہر بچے کی لرننگ سٹائل کس طریقے سے وہ سیکھتا ہے ڈفرینٹ ہے. کچھ بچے طوطوں کی طرح پڑھ کر کے پڑھ لیتے ہیں لیکن سمجھ کچھ نہیں آتا. کچھ بچے جو ہے وہ جب پریکٹیکلی چیز دکھائی جاتی ہے تب ان کو زیادہ لرننگ ملتی ہے. کچھ بچے صرف کسی کی بات سن کر کے وہ اس طرح سے سیکھتے ہیں. تو ایوری چائلڈ ہیز اے ڈفرینٹ لرننگ کیپیسٹی, ڈفرینٹ لرننگ اسٹائل. پیرنٹس کے لیے ضروری ہوتا ہے کہ اس بچوں کو کی اسٹائل کیا ہے اس کو ایکسپلور کرنے کی کوشش کریں کہ یار میرا بچہ جو ہے وہ کون سی چیزوں سے زیادہ جلدی سیکھتا ہے. بہت سے بچے جو ہے وہ ABCD اگر آپ ایک نرسری رائم میں ڈال دیں تو بچے جلدی سیکھ جاتے ہیں گانے کے طور پہ. کچھ بچے جو ہے وہ ڈنڈے سے کام کرتے ہیں. آئی تھنک دیٹ از دا ورسٹ کہ آپ جب بچوں کو ڈنڈا دے کر کے پڑھانے کی کوشش کرتے ہو یا ڈسپلن کرنے کی کوشش کرتے ہو, مینی اے ٹائمز وہ بیک فائر ہوتا ہے. کیونکہ وہ چیز جو ہے وہ بچے کی کانفیڈنس لیول, اس کی سیلف بلیف, اس کے اپنے بارے میں کیا سیلف اسٹیم کیا ہے, وہ سب شیٹر ہو جاتی ہے. پیرنٹس آر the ones that create an environment that is full of love, compassion, understanding, encouragement, even when they've done something wrong. آپ کس طریقے سے جب وہ کوئی غلطی کرتے ہیں تو ہر پیرنٹ کس طریقے سے اس غلطی کو بچے کے سامنے پیش کرتا ہے, دیٹ میٹرز اے لاٹ. بہت سے پیرنٹس ہم کہتے ہیں ادھر آؤ کیا کہتے ہو, پھٹا 2 چپیٹ مار دیا, کان پکڑو, اٹھ بیٹھ کرو, رائٹ. کیونکہ ہمارے زمانے میں, آپ کے زمانے میں ہمارے ماں باپ ہمیں صرف آنکھ دکھاتے تھے تو ہم سیدھے ہو جاتے تھے. وقت بدل گیا ہے, زمانہ بدل گیا ہے. बच्चे are more susceptible to lots of information on the internet, लोगों से, environment से, तो they become more smart, more demanding. मैं और आप, हम ये क्यों है? हम ये सवाल अपने माँ बाप से पूछ ही नहीं सकते थे. हम ये क्यों नहीं कर सकते? अच्छा ये है तो why? You agree with me? हाँ? और आज के बच्चे, जब तक आप उनको उनके वाई का जवाब नहीं दोगे, they will not move. So we have to change as parents. हमें अपने आप को बदलना है. वक्त के साथ साथ हमें बदलना है, क्योंकि जो कांस्टेंट चीज जिंदगी में, जो चीज सबसे कांस्टेंट है वो है चेंज. चेंज इज द ओनली थिंग दैट इज कांस्टेंट, जो हमेशा होते रहेगा. और चेंज, कोई बता सकता है चेंज की स्पेलिंग क्या? हाउ डू यू स्पेल चेंज? CHANGE, right? Change begins with what? Change begins with what? C. Change C से शुरू होता है. पेरेंट्स को खुद नहीं पता चेंज कहाँ से शुरू होता है. That's okay. The word alphas change in the English language begins with C. लेकिन change actually begins with I. जब तक मैं खुद I don't want to accept change and don't want to make the effort to change myself, कोई मुझे change नहीं कर सकता. यह हकीकत है. So change begins with I. As parents, we have to evolve ourselves. हमें अपने आप को तब्दील करना है वक्त के साथ. हमें बच्चे की जो माइंडसेट क्या है उसको मद्देनजर रखते हुए उसके साथ डील करनी होती है, क्योंकि हर बच्चा डिफरेंट होता है. हमें सब बच्चों को एक ही तराजू में नहीं तोल सकते, बिकॉज देन वी विल कम अप विद ऐसे प्रोसेस जहां पर एक बच्चे के लिए तो कामयाबी है लेकिन दूसरे बच्चे के लिए बर्बादी है. आप एक बच्चे की माइंडसेट को डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकते हैं. सो यू एंड आई एज पेरेंट्स हैव अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. आप में से कितने माँ बाप जो हैं वो अपने बच्चों के साथ कम से कम 1.5 से 2 घंटा वक्त निकालकर उनके साथ गुजारते हैं? और मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि उनकी पढ़ाई की वजह से, सिर्फ उनके साथ बैठ करके 1 घंटा बातचीत. कितने पेरेंट्स हम जो है वो जब ये बच्चे स्कूल से आते हैं हम उनसे पूछते हैं, बेटा कैसा रहा आपका दिन, आज क्या सीख करके आए हो? अम्मी को भी बताओ, मुझे बताओ. बिकॉज हम अपने खुद की चीजों में इतने इन्वॉल्व हैं कि हम इस चीज को इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं देते. ऐसे ही है, लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट. क्योंकि जब तक आप अपने आप से ऑनेस्टी नहीं करोगे थिंग्स विल नेवर इंप्रूव. वी नेवर टेक आउट द टाइम. कितने माँ बाप जो है अपने बच्चों को जब कोई चीज अच्छा करता है या कोई आप उनको जो घर के कोई चोर्स देते हैं कि बेटा ये जरा कचरा बाहर फेंक कर आओ, कितने माँ बाप जाकर के जब वो फेंक कर आ जाता है, चाहे वो कितनी भी नखरे करके चले जाता है, कितने माँ बाप जाकर के उसको एक जादू की चप्पी देते हैं और पप्पी करके उसको बोलते हैं थैंक यू बेटा, आप मेरे इतने मदद करते हो, थैंक यू सो मच, यू डू इट वंडरफुल. लेकिन इट्स नॉट योर फॉल्ट, क्योंकि हमारा माशरा, हमारा अपब्रिंगिंग ऐसा हुआ है कि हम इसको फॉर ग्रांटेड ले चुके हैं कि बच्चे की ये लाजमी है कि उसे माँ बाप का कहना मानना है. ये एक हमने बना दिया रूल. ही हैज टू, यस ही शुड लिसन टू हिज पेरेंट्स. बट जब हम किसी बच्चे को किसी चीज पे फोर्स करते हैं उसकी रिबेलियन होने के चांसेस ज्यादा है. आज के दौर में इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस एज पेरेंट्स, अगर हम कोई चीज से मना करते हैं बच्चे को कि बेटा नहीं ये नहीं, बहुत जरूरी है उसको वजह बताएं क्यों. उसको ये जरूर बताएं ये करने से बेटा आपका ये नुकसान है, और ये अगर आप नहीं करते तो आपका ये फायदा भी होगा. तो बच्चों को फायदा नुकसान बताने के लिए पीछे ना हटना, उनको जरूर बताएं help them make the right decision. Don't make decisions for them. उनको इस तरह से लेकर के चले कि वो खुद अपने दिमाग से सही रास्ता पकड़ सके. आपका काम है गाइड करना, उनको बताना क्या है क्या सही नहीं है. हाँ, कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होंगे जो कि हमारी एक कहावत है, लातों के भूत भातों से नहीं मानते, लेकिन ये आखिरी स्टेज है. ये आखिरी स्टेज है जब और कोई चीज नहीं काम कर रहा. फिर कभी कभार बहुत जरूरी होता है कि 2 टिकाई, लेकिन जो 2 टिकाई आप देती भी हैं बिलो द बेल्ट, नॉट एनीथिंग अबव. बम्बू पे मारे, थाइस पे मारे, टांग पे मारे, एक ताकि उसको थोड़ा सा एहसास हो. कोशिश करें कि उनके अंदर एक फियर ना हो, खौफ ना पैदा करना. क्योंकि जब हम अपने बच्चों के दिलों में हमारे लिए हम खौफ पैदा कर देते हैं तो दे विल रन टू अदर पीपल. उनकी लॉयल्टी आपकी तरफ खत्म. वो अपने मामू के पास चले जाएंगे, चाची के पास चले जाएंगे, फुप्पो के पास चले जाएंगे, क्योंकि फुप्पो उनको डिफरेंट तरीके से डील करती है. आई जस्ट फील कि इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम आज एक सोचें कि हम अपने बच्चों को उनसे क्या तवक्कुआत हम रखते हैं, वो जरूर उनको बताएं. पेरेंट्स, बहुत कम पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को के साथ बैठ करके उनको बताते हैं कि बेटा मेरी तवक्कुआत आपसे ये है. मैं सिर्फ चाहता हूं कि आप अच्छा पढ़ें, अच्छे रिजल्ट्स लाएं, ताकि आपका फ्यूचर बेहतर हो. याद रखना, इंसानी फितरत ऐसा है कि जब जब आप एक इंसान को उसमें के जो भी करता है उसको उसका फायदा बताएंगे, वो ज्यादा एक्सेप्ट करेगा. Whenever I tell you this is your benefit, you'll be okay. जहां पर आपको अपनी बेनिफिट नजर नहीं आएगी, आप इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं शो करेंगे. तो कोशिश करें बच्चे की साइकोलॉजी के साथ ऐसा खेलें कि आप उनको ये इजहार करें कि ये करने से उसका क्या फायदा है. And he will be able to be more responsive towards you than anybody else. अच्छा जी, can anyone tell me what is good parenting? Good parenting है क्या? कोई, let me share with you something. What is the importance of a positive mindset of a parent? It says, a positive mindset of a parent creates a hopeful environment. उम्मीद की एक environment create करता है. जब पेरेंट्स खुद पॉजिटिव होते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली एनवायरमेंट जो है एक पॉजिटिव एनवायरमेंट बनता है. एक बहुत साइकोलॉजी में एक चीज है, इट्स कॉल्ड बिहेवियर ब्रीड्स बिहेवियर. एक इंसान का बिहेवियर ऑटोमेटिकली लीड्स टू कनेक्टिविटी ऑफ अनदर बिहेवियर. मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूं. बाप जो है वो ऑफिस से आए हैं, उसको बहुत ही बुरा दिन मिला है ऑफिस में. बॉस से डांट पड़ गई, काम गलत हो गया और वो उसका मूड खराब है. गुस्से में ऑफिस से घर आता है, बीवी चली जाती है उसके पास. हाँ जी कैसा रहा यार, हाँ दफा यहां से, अभी उनसे कोई बात ना करें. बच्चे आते हैं, बच्चों को दूध पी देते हैं. वी नेवर रियलाइज द रिपरकशन ऑफ दिस. बेटा जाता है या बच्चा जाता है माँ के पास, चूंकि माँ ने एक्सपीरियंस किया बाप के साथ जो वो बिहेवियर, रूड बिहेवियर, वही चीज वो अप्लाई करती है. नहीं आप भी जाओ, दफाओ यहां से, अभी मैं पढ़ टाइम नहीं है. दैट इज व्हाट आई मीन जब हम कहते हैं बिहेवियर ब्रेड्स बिहेवियर. हाउ यू बिहेव एज पेरेंट्स टुवर्ड्स योर चिल्ड्रन आर वॉचिंग यू. हर बच्चा जो है, हर बेटा, हर बेटी, माँ बाप उनके आइडियल होते हैं. जिनके बच्चे बहुत अच्छा करते हैं और उनकी रिजल्ट अच्छी होगी, प्लीज उनको शाबाशी दें. और जो बच्चों ने इतना अच्छा नहीं किया उनको डिस्करेज मत करना. उनको कहेंगे आई नो यू कैन डू बेटर, और इंशाल्लाह आप बेहतर करोगे.
So I feel that you all got tired
So I shortened my speech. So on behalf of St. Rita's Secondary School, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to His Eminence Cardinal Joseph Booth for being with us. Truly your presence has graced today's event, and I believe that your word of wisdom and insight has enriched everyone present here. Your presence here today not only added the prestige to our event, but also motivate our students to strive for further excellence. I am grateful to all the faculty members, staff, students and the volunteers who have worked tirelessly to make this event a great success. Above all, I would like to thank all the parents for being here with us today. Thank you very much for all your understanding and support we have been receiving from you at school. I am confident that St. Rita's Secondary School will be a school choice of the discerning parents. Once again, thank you very much, His Eminence Cardinal Joseph Booth, your valuable time and for being a source of inspiration for our students and for all of us. We hope and we are privileged that we see you furthermore once again in future as well. Thank you very much everyone, and especially for all the media people, the good news, the staff and all those who have worked very hard. Thank you very much. Have a great day.